What's up, good people? It's your girl Hilda. I'm back with another video, and it has been long. I do believe you've all been well. On this video, I'll just start right away by tying my hair together, as you can see, guys. Then I'll go straight to the tutorial, and I've named them according to numbers. So kindly let me know your favorite number in the comment section, like the one you prefer most. Then for the returning subscribers, oh my god, thank you very much. And for the new members, feel at home. I love you. And guys, thank you so much for your support so far. I really do appreciate. I'm hoping that you'll all enjoy watching this video as I did enjoy shooting it. So without wasting time, let's go straight to tutorial number 1.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping light.